Gretchen here, Pawsom Fun and Frugal. I'm a little disheveled this morning. But I want to jump on here because I had someone ask me about taking turmeric and black pepper capsules to help with inflammation. Turmeric is great to help with inflammation. Turmeric is very good for inflammation, and pepper enhances the turmeric. There's all kinds of studies out there. I can put a link to one in the description, or a couple of them. I'll try to find more than one. I like to make sure I've seen at least 3 different research articles that agree before I really trust it. You know, FDA and USDA, they don't really recognize this stuff as medicinal treatments necessarily. They claim there aren't enough studies. I'm sure there are, just powers that be will not allow those to be out, you know. Anyway, I wanted to share how I create I don't go buy those capsules, because they're very expensive, and if you're going to use them as a regular dietary thing, that's a lot of money. Costco has them in bulk, of course, for $44, but still. I didn't get a look. Someone sent me a photo of the bottle they were looking at. So Costco has 320 tablet capsules for $44. And my guess is you have to take at least 2. I didn't get to see the back of the bottle, and I could research that. But I doubt that that's 1 a day. So if you have to take more than 1, that's $44. I mean, I guess if you need the convenience, that might work for you, and if you have that kind of money. But over the long run, you'd save a lot if you make it yourself. So this is what I do. Because I learned about turmeric and black pepper years ago. I've been using this stuff for years before they even made capsules of it. So here's how I do. Black pepper and raw turmeric. That's from Costco, bulk. That's from Tribe Market, bulk. Not a sponsor. No sponsors, just telling you where they're from. So I put about 1/4 of the jar, about to here, pepper, and the rest turmeric. Now I've used some of this, so I just sprinkle it on when I'm cooking. It's part of my spice. I put a lot of it in my food with everything else. And it's healthy and inexpensive.